To add a Mailchimp pop-up to your Wix website, start by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the Wix editor. Click on the Add button on the left side of the screen and select More from the drop-down menu. Search for Mailchimp in the search bar and click on the Mailchimp app to install it. Once installed, click on the Connect to Mailchimp button and enter your Mailchimp account credentials to link your Mailchimp account to Wix. After connecting your account, click on the Add a Pop-up button to create a new pop-up. Select the type of pop-up you want to create, such as a newsletter sign-up or promotional offer, and customize the pop-up design and content to match your brand. Choose the trigger for the pop-up, such as when a visitor lands on your site or when they are about to leave. To add the pop-up to your Wix site, click on the Add to Site button and select the page where you want the pop-up to appear. You can also set the pop-up to appear on all pages or specific pages of your site. To track the performance of your pop-up, log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the Campaigns tab. Click on the Reports button to view the performance of your pop-up, including the number of subscribers and conversion rates. Best practices for using Mailchimp pop-ups on Wix include keeping the pop-up design simple and visually appealing, offering a clear incentive for visitors to sign up, and testing different pop-up triggers and designs to optimize performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can create an effective Mailchimp pop-up on your Wix site to grow your email list and increase conversions.